Good morning everyone, welcome back in this class. Today we will discuss about the most important topic of class 7th standard, that is the perimeter and area. So in this sequence we will discuss in this video that is the perimeter of triangle, perimeter of square, perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of parallelogram. So now let us start. First of all we will discuss about the meaning of the perimeter. So as you know that perimeters makes in two words. First is peri and second is meters. So peri refers to the boundary and meters means measurement of boundary. So it is clear that perimeter refers to the to measure the boundary of a figure. So it is clear that perimeter refers to the length of boundary of any figure. So in this sequence I will discuss about the first term of perimeter of triangle. So as you know that perimeter of triangle and triangle refers to the if a figure which is bounded by three line segment, that is called the triangle. So perimeter of triangle means length of boundary of triangle. So here is the triangle. So it is clear that triangle bounded, a figure bounded by three line segment, it is said to be the triangle. So perimeter of triangle is length of boundary. So it has three sides. So perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides. So it is clear that now suppose that triangle ABC, then perimeter of triangle ABC. So it is clear that perimeter means length of boundary. So here is in triangle it has three sides. So sum of AB plus BC plus AC. AB plus BC plus CA. Now suppose that if the triangle is all sides are equal, means if the equilateral triangle is given, then perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Now suppose that sides of the equilateral triangle is A. Now suppose that triangle ABC an equilateral triangle, then we know that equilateral triangle all sides are equal. So AB equal to AC equal to BC. So perimeter of the equilateral triangle is equal to the sum of all sides. So it has three sides. Then side AB plus BC plus AC. And in equilateral triangle here is, we know that here each side of equilateral triangle will be equal. So sum of all sides is here. Then AB plus BC plus CA, A plus A. Then perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3A units. Now the second term of perimeter of square. So perimeter of square, we know that square, a figure is bounded by four line segments and all sides are equal, so it is known as the square. So as you know that square, a figure is bounded by four line segment. So it is clear that A, B, C, it has four sides and all sides are equal. So perimeter of the square, then we know that perimeter of any figure, sum of all sides are length of the boundary. So it is clear that now suppose that here side of square is a, then we know that all sides of square is equal. Then now suppose that side of AD equal to A, then AD equal to DC and AB. So perimeter of square is sum of all sides and it has 4 sides, then AB plus, so we can write here AB plus BC plus CA plus AD. Then perimeter equal to A plus A, then 4A. So it is clear that perimeter of square is 4 into side, 4 into one side of square. Now the next term is here perimeter of rectangle. So as you know that rectangle figure is bounded by 4 line segment and opposite sides are equal. So it is clear that rectangle is types of the quadrilateral and its opposite sides are equal. So it is clear that length of rectangle is, suppose that L, then opposite sides are equal, and width of the rectangle is B, opposite sides are equal. Then perimeter of the rectangle is, perimeter of rectangle we can write here P equal to length of the boundary. So in this figure AB, BC and CD and DA, these are the boundary of the ABCD. So perimeter is sum of all sides. So we can write here AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Then AB, that is the length of the rectangle L, plus BC is width of the rectangle B, plus CD is also length of the rectangle. In the rectangle opposite sides are equal, then AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC, then L plus B plus L. Now we can write here B, then 2L plus 2B, then perimeter of rectangle is 2 bracket L plus B. So it is clear that formula of the perimeter of rectangle is 2 bracket length plus B, 2 bracket L plus B. Now same as the perimeter of the parallelogram. So we know that here parallelogram types of the quadrilateral and which opposite sides are equal and parallel. Then perimeter of the parallelogram is also same as the perimeter of the rectangle. So it is clear that in rectangle the opposite sides in this figure here AB equal to BC and AD equal to BC. So now same as in the figure parallelogram. So formula of the perimeter of parallelogram is same as the perimeter of the rectangle. Now the next is we will discuss about the exercise 15.1. The first question of this exercise, question number 1, exercise 15.1, question number 1, page number 182. So the first question of this chapter, find the circumference of a circle whose diameter, find the circumference of a circle whose diameter is first is 84 centimeter, and now second question is 91 centimeter. Now the first is solution. Diameter of the circle is given here, that is the 84 centimeter. So diameter of a circle is given here 84 centimeter. Find the circumference of a circle. So we know that formula of the circumference on the circle. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So it is clear that diameter of the circle is given here 84 centimeter. So radius of the circle, then radius of circle, that is we know that here radius of circle is half of the diameter. Then diameter of the circle is given here 84 centimeter. Then radius of circle is 84 by 2. Then 84 divided by 2, 42 centimeter. So now put the value of radius in the circumference of circle. The formula of the circumference of circle is given here. That is a 2 pi r. C equal to 2 pi r. Then 2 into, and we know that the value of pi is 22 by 7. Then 22 by 7 into radius of circle is here 42 centimeter. Then 42, that is 6, and 6 into 12 into 22, then 12 into 22, 264 centimeter. So it is clear that 264 centimeter. Now the next question is here, diameter of circle is given 91 centimeter. So diameter of circle is 91 centimeter. Then d equal to 91 centimeter. Then radius of circle is 91 by 2 centimeter. And we know that here the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Then C equal to 2 pi r. That 2 into, and the value of pi equal to, we know that here 22 by 7. Then 22 by 7 into 91 by 2. Multiply, then 7 30. Then 22 into 30. Then C circumference of circle, that is 22 into 30, 286 centimeter. So circumference of the circle, whose diameter is given here 91 centimeter. Then circumference of circle is 286 centimeter. Now the next question, question number 3. Find the circumference of a circle whose find the diameter of a circle whose circumference is given here. Now the next question number 3 on the page number 182. Find the diameter of a circle. Find the diameter of a circle whose find the diameter of a circle whose circumference whose circumference is first is here 2.2 centimeter and second is 26.4 centimeter. So in this question here find the diameter of the circle whose circumference is 2.2 centimeter. So we know that here circumference of the circle that is the 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is given that is 2.2 centimeter. Then we know that formula of the circumference is 2 pi r, that 2 pi r equal to 2.2 centimeter, and we know that the value of pi equal to 22/7, then 2 into 22/7 into r equal to 2.2 centimeter. Then r equal to 2.2 into 7 by 2 into 22. Okay. Now next 2 pi r equal to 2.2 centimeter. Then r equal to 2.2 into 7 by 2 into 22. Then 22 by 0.1, that is 0.7 by 2, and here is the 2r equal to 0.7 centimeter, and 2r means the diameter of the circle, and we know that here d equal to 2r. Then in the place of 2r we can write here d equal to 0.7 centimeter. Now next is diameter of the circle whose circumference is given here 26.4 centimeter. Then circumference of a circle is given 26.4 centimeter. Then 2 pi r equal to 26.4. Then 2r equal to we can add here 26.4 by pi, and we can write here in the place of pi is 22/7. Then 26.4 into 7 by 22. Then 26.4 divided by 22, 1 and 2. Then 1.2 multiplied by 7, that is the 8.4 centimeter. So here is the value of 2r equal to 8.4 centimeter. The value of 2r equal to 8.4 centimeter. So we know that here the 2r means twice of the radius, and twice of the radius is same as the diameter of the circle. So in the place of 2r we can write here diameter of circle, then d equal to 8.4 centimeter. So it is clear that diameter of the circle 8.4 whose circumference is given here 26.4 centimeter.